Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AWeber email marketing. AWeber email marketing is an email marketing service designed to help businesses and individuals build email lists and send marketing campaigns. Its main purpose is to facilitate communication with subscribers, nurturing leads, and driving sales. Key features include email list management, campaign creation, automation tools, and analytics tracking. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. AWeber positions itself as a user-friendly option, emphasizing ease of use and a range of features suitable for various marketing needs. They highlight pricing transparency, no hidden fees, and offer a variety of plans to cater to different budget levels. They don't boast specific cutting-edge technology like 5G, but focus on the reliability and effectiveness of their email delivery system. You can check their availability and pricing directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AWeber. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. Navigating the interface was intuitive, creating email campaigns felt easy, thanks to the drag-and-drop editor. I particularly liked the pre-designed templates, which saved me a lot of time. I tested their automation features, setting up a welcome sequence for new subscribers, and it worked flawlessly. The email delivery was reliable, with high open and click-through rates. I had a quick question about integrating with my website, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automation workflow builder. It made creating complex email sequences very simple. One minor drawback was the slightly limited mobile app functionality. Some features are better accessed via the desktop version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AWeber. It generally met my needs, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a user-friendly and effective email marketing solution. That's my overview of AWeber email marketing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.